Fire. Mom is fire. Mom is fire. Mom is fire. I live in a zoo. What I'm gonna do? They say my kids are bad, but that makes me sad. Kids aren't bad, they need to play. But why mine always want Chick-fil-A? I do this grind on my Peloton to feed my mind. Work all day to make it rain and feed my brain. Back in school, cause I'm no fool. Gotta show my kids how hard I work and pray to the Lord. They don't see me twerk for some dollars to make them holler. My son's a dope. My daughter got hope to be a nurse and earn that purse. My hubby fine, he's a dime, but I'm the one who stole his heart. No time for flings, but he gave me the ring. Got one kidney, no crack like Whitney. Sorry, drink my water, run for the border, cop the house to show our kids. Ain't do no bids, throw up the mids. We not the feds. My kids are lazy, don't make their beds. They think I'm Alice, but I'd rather have that Wakanda palace. Cook their breakfast, make their lunch and dinner. Get out my face, cause I'm a winner. No jobs for hire, time to retire. Too many years, time to face my fears. Time to make my way so I can get that mental health pay. Feature my son. He's the one who makes the sound. Now he's bound to be a star. But I got the bars. No fast cars. Cause mom is fire. Mom is fire. Mom is fire!